How sexy does Heather look with these glasses? Hi and welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas. I'm really sorry that I got like a little bit of a gap there, but when I was in Norway there was just no time to edit the vlogs, unfortunately. But I still got a little vlog put together for you. So it is quite late now, it's like 20 past 11. I was babysitting and I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so that's what I'm going to do now. And I have gotten this. How cute! I mean, it's like late, but it came late from my dad and his girlfriend. So we're going to start on number 1. Good. Are you doing a test this month?
I'm hoping to.
Okay.
Probably end up doing it on Christmas Day.
Ah.
So we're writing on Christmas Day. We are hacking out together.
Oh, how nice. Super. And then maybe go and do a serpentine. And think that you want him to continue to work forwards all the time. And to bend round your inside leg and not fall to the inside. Good. And keep your left shoulder down. That's it. Good, good, good. That's better. Super. I should do a close-up of that smile.
That's the... I can practice it. Poor little horse.
That was a good transition. That was better. Good. Good boy. Good Bonnie. Very good. Good boy.
A bit more.
He's like, both of you said good. That must surely mean stop. Good. And then let him have a little walk. Put your outside leg back and canter. Very good.
Good boy.
That's it. Super. Well done, Jen. That was very nice and didn't get on tape. You have to do it again. You have to be all posh, so go down to walk. Good. And then ask for canter. Very good. And just sit and relax. That's it. Well done. Okay, and walk again. It's easier if you do it from A to the corner, so somewhere now. That's it. Yeah, and move your bum. Move your bum. Good, good, good. Big pats.
Not right, don't you know?
Are you tired, Com?
Hey, Baba.
Sweeties.
Baby,
Sweeties.
come on.
Sweeties.
Sweeties.
Oh.
There's my good boy.
You're smiling.
I am.
Hi. Hello. Peekaboo. an absolutely gorgeous day. So lovely. So I just taught Jen and she did really well. It's the second time I think she's cantering in the school, and she's normally used hacking. So she hasn't ever really sat to the canter, so I thought she did really well. You need to just practice and practice and practice and do it more and more and more. So that's very cool. I've just gotten Heather on keto, so she's just walking up to the arena, and later we're going to go to Ikea to try to get some food for Christmas, because I like my Swedish or Norwegian Christmas food, and I'm not so keen on the turkey. Am I allowed to say that? Is that really rude? Maybe a little bit, but I have to be honest, right? So that's what we're going to do later. Danza! Where are you? Hey, princess! Hi! Oh, you're so dirty! You need a brush? Do you need a brush? Hello? Hello, princess! Hello, pretty! Hello, pretty! Oh, your mommy's girl! Your mommy's girl! You enjoying the sun? Is he nice? Is he nice? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. The window is so dirty. We're going shopping! You can smile.
Not about shopping. It's not going to make me bloody smile, is it? No. Down, I'm going in there.
That did not help. Ikea! Food!
Ikea entrance, which is over here, which is where I was going. And now I'm in the wrong place.
We're in the wrong place. You're going.
Because I have to go out there to get in it, don't I? Do I? Oh no. Don't play here.
So we are here, and what's that? Oh, dum, 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 dum. And I'm just about to go and see if they have any nice Christmas food. How sexy does Heather look with these glasses?
You're a bitch.
Lovely. Do they help?
Gorgeous.
Do they help?
I actually think it's not so much that you see any better, but you are not in the glare. The glare is less,
Okay, that's good.
so it's a little more comfier.
Very good. Right, I'll talk to you once we have been in Ikea. Sadly, we didn't really get the food I wanted, so I will have to try to go into London and bought myself a rucksack. So maybe I'll have some luck with that. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I will look forward to share my thirsty translation tomorrow.